What's up, guys? It's May 7th, 2024. We're doing the upload because apparently I had the mic muted the whole time. So yeah, we'll just get into it. We still got time. It's only 6 a.m. here. The Bulls had a 3-day bull trend. And on the 5-minute chart, when I see 3 bars, I'm like skeptical if I'm buying range highs. 1, 2, 3 is that range highs. 1, 2, 3 range highs. 1, 2, 3, 4 pullback. So I was already skeptical about today. This is Wednesday morning. I'm filming this Wednesday morning, but we're talking about the 7th. So that's this overnight price action. But we're talking about this bar right here. So I was pretty I was expecting this kind of day because we had 3 bars. I was definitely ready to play the trend to the measured move target, but I was also ready to just hit out of it long if it didn't work. So keep that in mind if you think there's going to be a pullback. Price action is fractal. So yeah, let's get started. Good morning. Good morning. I really like doing these things with coffee, but okay. Yep. Gap up, bar 1, good follow through for the Bulls. Bar 2, I'll make it a little bit bigger. I want to make sure you guys can see everything. Bar 2 is an inside bar. Bar 1 is a range bar. We have more tail than body, so sellers at highs, buyers at lows. Bar 2 turns up and sells off, so we know there's more sellers at highs, and it stops below the body of bar 1, so there are buyers. There is some sort of support here. We see that with the tails and the tail on top on 3. However, it looks like there's more sellers, right? Because Bull's going to get the body, bearish close. So there is buying pressure, but I think there's more sellers at highs right now. With the gap up, maybe the market needs to pull back a little bit, which it did. Bar 4 is an outside, it's an outside bar. So it raced up, it found sellers right at the high of bar 1. There's more sellers at bar 1. Reverses lower, and it finds buyers at the low of bar 1. So we're trading within bar 1's range right now. Bar 5, bears try and break out and reverse higher. It's a failed breakout for the bears. We know that through the tail right here. However, bar 6 is bad for the bulls. It traded a couple ticks higher in reverse. So now bulls are trapped, right? The bulls that bought here got trapped in bar 6. They're going to buy lower and get out at the 50% level. Or they're going to hold for a couple points. And it looks like in this case they held for a couple points. Bar 7 is bad follow through for the bears. Bar 8, good for the bulls. Support at lows. Failed breakout below level 1. Level 1. Bar 1's range. That's how you know I play video games. I don't know where that came from. That's the support I keep redrawing. So failed breakout. Bulls race to the high. This is resistance. That's resistance. So this is what I've been redrawing as it deletes itself. I don't like drawing these lines because I can never get them perfect. Okay. Is that straight? Straight. Straight. Okay. Here's the morning range. Buy vacuum into resistance. No follow through. Bar 10. Sell off with bar 11. Testing the support. And we go sideways for a few bars. It's better to just wait. I actually got trapped going for a short into the EMA. And I think a lot of people did here with bar 15. And as soon as it turned up, I was red. So I hit out. And I reversed. If you think about that, I did that. How many other people went short for a scalp into the EMA? Which is also would line up with the bar 7 low. So it was a trap. And look at this bar, really strong. Bears bought back their shorts. Bulls bought longs. They're buying the support. Bears have to buy their shorts. Bears buy back their shorts. 17 breaks out of the morning range. 18, not the best follow through. It's kind of like bar 1. Now look at the range here. See, we're just trading within the range, bars range. Bars 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 go sideways. I don't want to overlook tight trading ranges because that's how we need to learn to avoid those. I just want to make sure I'm ready to go for market open. So I apologize if this sounds a little rushed. I really didn't plan for it to be like that, but your boy's a silly ass. Didn't have the mic on yesterday. That cracks me up. 18. So yeah, we're in a tight TTR. It's best to just wait for a 2-bar breakout, and then you could be like, oh wait, we got the 2-bar breakout. Look at the follow through. Bulls have a gap up. all bull bars above the EMA. For me, I already got burned once, so I didn't do it again here, but I'm sure someone tried to go short the EMA. Same concept. We have 20, 25, 26, and 27. The lows are trending higher. The highs are not trending higher because 26 is lower than 25, but all the lows are higher. So the market is somewhat in a trend, not a strong trend. 28, bad follow through. 29 looks like so this could be a flag since it's a range. And then it breaks out, and 30 it fails, tries to tag the EMA again and bounces. So bulls are keeping this gap open. It's about midday, starting to get climactic. I was looking at this wedge top here. I was looking at this like a wedge. Oh, excuse me. I was looking at this like a wedge top until this price actually got put in right here. That was horrible arrow. Okay, there we go. That was okay. 36 is a really nice sell. Wedge top, bear bar, bear bar, good close, and it sells off into the EMA. This is the first time the bears can get into the EMA, which means it's the first time the bulls get the average price of the last 20 bars. Bulls have been forced to buy a little bit higher than average price for all morning. Bulls that got trapped here are also going to buy lower and get out at 50%. So we have a breakout, really bad breakout with bad follow through 38, 39, bad for the bulls, but bulls got triggered with that tick. 30, 40, market sells off for another leg and reverses up, bull body. 41, strong sell, but bad close and really bad follow through at 42. And that becomes a test of these bars right here. I think it's testing around that level. I'm trying to get more accurate with my ideas. Yeah. Testing 14 to 15 because this was a bad breakout. Bad breakouts get retested. 42, 43, 44, reversing into the EMA. Again, we have trending lows and trending highs. However, the tail of this isn't the best. But the bulls rallied far above bar 41. So that should be a sign that, hey, maybe we actually get out of shorts because they rallied. You could say, oh, they closed below the EMA, and that's fine too. But for me, I'm learning how to scalp, so I'm getting out. Leg 1, leg 2 trap. How do I know it's a trap? Because we're range bound. In a trend, a leg 2 move's great. A range, a leg 2 move will trap you. Trust me, I know this. I know you will get trapped in a leg 2 move if you take that high. I've lost a lot of money doing that. Just take my word for it, please. Don't lose money. So 48, bad follow through for the bulls. They're breaking above. They made a new high. 49, the market's reversing down. It trades one tick higher. Bears shut it down. 48. This is 48, 49, 50, 51. We get a bear micro channel. I think you have to get out of longs at this point. You should be getting out of longs with 3 bear bars against you in a range at range highs is enough. I think 49 was even enough to get out because of the expansion. Every time we make a new high, it sells. New high, it sells, right? So 53 strong. Is it a strong breakout? It looks like a strong breakout. I thought it was a strong breakout. I got short here for a measured move and got filled on this bar. And I didn't do wicks. Oh wait, I must have hit out. I got filled. Yeah, oh my gosh. I did not catch that. So I do one tick higher. I got filled, but I do one tick higher. That's 2 ticks. So just quick background. The C right here says S&P E mini futures. This is ES. I trade the micros on TradingView and NinjaTrader. They're off by 1 tick. And this, I think that's what happened here because look, this is 2 ticks. So 5205 and the low here is 5205.50. The micro is off by 1 tick and I lift my order up every time by 1 tick. So that's insane. I got filled to the tick. Very lucky. It could have just reversed and never came back down. So that's where that 2 tick difference is because I remember getting filled. I was like, wow. But on ES, it doesn't get met. And that's really interesting to know. I would just suggest to put your orders a couple ticks above your targets too. I think it's smart. Someone suggested I do it, and I have been doing it. It's been working out a lot. And here, we can just see how it worked out because I did not catch that this measure move didn't get met on the ES. On the micros, it was met if I go 1 tick above or 1 tick off. So I'm gonna, yeah, that's an odd thing. So for this case, the measure move didn't get met. That threw me off. So 52, strong breakout. 53, bad follow through. But it's really a big bar. And Al says sometimes big bars get immediate pullbacks. Maybe we see that here because people are taking profits. Breakout, channel, leg one, pullback, leg two, leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, channel, leg one, pullback, leg two. And then here's a macro three legs, leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. So this is a wedge bottom into support from here. So wedge bottom into support from here. I think it's important to get out of shorts above yesterday's high. That could be acting as support. So again, market cycle breakout, first bar, channel, first opposite bar creates channel phase. After that, we will see two-sided trading and a few legs lower. And we do see that. We see a strong breakout. We see opposite bar, and then we see two-sided trading with lower prices that creates a wedge. That wedge bottom has a breakout. And at this point, we should know that the day is going to be a range-bound day. When the day is a range-bound day, the opening bar's range is always my target. So I bought the 50% level of 63. I had to stop. I had a limit order a couple of ticks below here. I got stopped out for one tick profit on 70. I had my stop right here thinking this was going to happen. But the market went more sideways, so I'm not really complaining. That would have really annoyed me to sit through all this. It's the best to just avoid this. I mean, look at how the morning started. Look at how the day ended. We've been trading on the higher time frame for 3 bars, so maybe it's good to wait for a pullback, or you don't have to wait for a pullback. You have to expect. You don't have to. This is a tricky conversation. I don't think it's good to predict what the market's going to do, but it is good to understand that 3 bars, 4 or 5, the more bars you get in one direction, the more of a chance of a pullback you get. So just to like show how price action is fractal, right? Because I just talked about the breakout channel, two-sided trading. So breakout channel, this starts two-sided trading. After the channel, we go into a range bound, which is also two-sided trading. That's what makes a range, right? So this could be a buy vacuum. But what I'm trying to get at is if we're in a range bound environment, there will be sellers sitting. We don't know if it's range bound. We don't know if this is the start of another bull leg. We don't know if it's the start of a bull leg to here. We don't know if this is a two-legged pullback bear flag. There's a lot of things that we don't know, but what we do know is in a range, there's two-sided trading. So yeah, market opened in 15 minutes, guys. Please use your stop loss. I apologize for the no audio. That cracked me up. I woke up like at 2:30 in the morning and I barely checked my phone. I'm like, what's going on? And I fell back asleep, and then I woke up. I was like, oh crap, I gotta get this video out. Appreciate you guys giving me a heads up. Always appreciate the comments, and I like talking to you guys. I like the questions. I try my best to answer them out the book. I look up the answers. I don't do it off the top of my head. Please ask me questions. I will keep looking them up. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for your support. I will talk to you later. Get some hot coffee. Don't drink and drive. All right, bye. Also, don't drink and drive with coffee in case it's hot and spills. Okay, bye.